Hi, today I'm reviewing the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Bakuchiol Overnight Treatment. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so I've been asked a few questions about this, so I thought I'd finally get a chance to review it. I tend to like Acure's Radically Rejuvenating line. Their Radically Rejuvenating Whipped Night Cream is really nice. I've been asked a few questions about this one, so I thought I'd give it a review. Okay, so they say the Bakuchiol Overnight Treatment is maxed out 2% Bakuchiol for a plant-based anti-aging boost to renew and rejuvenate skin while you sleep. Benefits nighttime treatment to provide anti-aging support and rejuvenate, replenishes moisture and balances, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. So, Bakuchiol seems to be like it potentially could be as good as some people say it is. I still think more research needs to be done. I wouldn't totally 100% solely rely on this as a retinol alternative, but as an additional product in your routine, it can be certainly a good addition. Nothing wrong with that. So I just generally for your entire life, I wouldn't rely on that one ingredient to do everything that retinol can do, because retinol is probably the most research and proven skincare ingredient that exists. Although Bakuchiol is promising. So okay, packaging. No issues with the packaging. Nice packaging. In terms of denatured types of alcohol, there's none of that. There's also no fragrance or fragrance ingredients. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. So ease of use. So they say apply generously to neck and face before bed. Personally, I tend to use this one more like as a sleeping mask. I'll apply it over my other moisturizer. Or sometimes I'll mix a little bit of it in with the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. So this one works well in my evening routine as the last step, or mixing it in. No issues with layering or pilling. I also found on some days I tried it just during the daytime. I don't know. You know, if something says overnight, I'm going to try it during the daytime. Because you're telling me not to, so I got to try it, right? Why does it not say daytime and nighttime? Right? So then I gotta try it during the daytime, because if you tell me not to do something, I'm probably gonna do the opposite. So I'm crazy. Although if you tell me not to buy something, you know what? Karen just go say, hey, don't buy that. Or no, go buy that. Go spend all of your money on this store, and then I won't do it. Right? Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so works fine in my morning routine as well. It's a little bit on the hydrating side, so maybe in winter time this one will be better during the daytime. But anyway, it doesn't feel or look super greasy or shiny. It tends to have kind of a natural finish to it. Works well. Have I noticed any difference with fine lines or wrinkles since I've used this? Not so much either way, but I don't know. After using something for a month and a half, you can't really say if it's total winner or total loser in terms of benefits that take years to grow and get worse, and sometimes years to get better. So very easy to use. Okay, so let's get to the antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got safflower seed oil, which is an antioxidant. It's emollient. It contains a lot of good fatty hydrating acids and vitamin E. We've got aloe juice, which is skin soothing and hydrating. Then we've got this Bakuchiol. So let's talk about it. Don't buy the herbivore Bakuchiol because it doesn't contain Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a molecule derived from the seeds of Sorelia corypheolia, which is a molecule that was isolated first in 1973, way before I was ever born. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumor, and antibacterial properties. It's also been found to behave similar to retinol in certain double-blind research studies. It appears to give some similar results to retinol without the dryness, irritation, and redness, and also apparently has the same anti-acne benefits as retinol. So you can't just put this Sorelia corypheolia in an ingredient and call it Bakuchiol, because it's not. Bakuchiol is a molecule, one molecule derived from that seed and extracted, and then whatever they do to it. So you can't just put that ingredient in there and call it Bakuchiol, because it's not. Which is why the herbivore is not Bakuchiol, even though they call it that. So okay, then we've got sunflower seed oil, a good hydrating ingredient. We've got cocoa seed oil, which is an emollient, also made up of several fatty acids and vitamin E, as well as polyphenols. We've got squalane, which is a good antioxidant and cell communicating ingredient. We've got 2 types of vitamin E, which have antioxidant, protecting, and hydrating ingredients. We've got evening primrose oil, which is soothing emollient. Argan oil, which is an antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. We've got chamomile, which is also antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, skin calming ingredient. And then finally, we've got calendula, marigold, which have wound healing, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory benefits. So, very nice list of hydrating ingredients, antioxidants, emollients. Good ingredient list. So, Acure can be hit or miss with the fragrance sometimes. So, although with this line, I think most of this line is fragrance free. So, which is why it's my favorite line from them. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Acure is cruelty free. Performance, I'm pretty happy. I find this hydrates my skin. I say it also calms it down. The percentage of Bakuchiol in this, it sounds like it has enough to yield help with fine lines. I haven't noticed this yet, but it still feels nicely soothing and hydrating on my skin, so I'll continue to use it. It does contain several acnegenic ingredients. We've got Cetearyl alcohol, safflower seed oil, cocoa seed butter, squalane, vitamin E, and evening primrose oil. So if you have very acne-prone skin, probably pass on this one. Price, so this is a full size, which is 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces, and it retails for 25 bucks. So certainly a deal. A tube like this will probably last a couple months. Then in terms of the it factor, very nice product. Probably geared towards drier, non-acne prone skin. But, yeah, it's very hydrating. I haven't noticed anything with fine lines yet, but a lot of that results takes a long time to notice. So don't get impatient and use sunscreen every day. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 9. Very nice product. Super affordable. Nice way to add Bakuchiol into your routine without spending an arm and a leg and not buying Herbivore's fake product. So, Herbivore, you can fool me once. You can't fool me twice. Shame on you or something. Anyway, shame on me. Whatever. Okay, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you have a favorite Acure product or if you've tried this one. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.